Hello to all of you from my heart. Welcome to you all in Simla, the queen of seven hills in Devbhoomi, Himachal Pradesh. So, which is famous for is the natural beauties, architecture, buildings, wooden waft and apples. So, the name Simla is true to come from the words Siamla, which means blue house, which may refer to a house built from blue split on Jaku Hills by a fakir. So another theory is that the name Simla came from the Syamla, which means the blue female goddess, and it's another name for the goddess Kali. So आप सभी को लोगों को दिल से नमस्कार। देवभूमि हिमाचल प्रदेश के पर्वतों की रानी शिमला में आप सभी का स्वागत है, जो कि अपने दर्शनीय सौंदर्य, सेब और लकड़ी के शिल्प के लिए मशहूर है। शिमला का नाम श्यामला से लिया गया है, जिसका मतलब होता है नीला घर। एक अन्य सिद्धांत है कि यह शिमला शामला से आया है, जिसका अर्थ है नीली गॉडेज काली, और यह देवी काली का दूसरा नाम है। So I am going to explain. Shimla, a hill station in Himachal Pradesh, is famous for its natural beauty, colonial architecture and another attractions. So Shimla, which is located in the Shivalik range of the Himalayas, which is first mountain range encountered when traveling from the Indian plains towards the Himalayas. So Shimla is built on the seven hills including the Jaku Hills, Bentoni Hills, Invernum Hills, Observatory Hills, Prospect Hills, Elysium Hills and Summer Hills. So Bentoni Hill is the home to the Kalibari Temple and Bentoni Castle, and Jaku Hill in Shimla is the highest hill at 8,051 feet and home to the Jaku Temple and a statue of Lord Hanuman. So Invernum Hill is the home to the State Museum, Bird Museum and Himachal Pradesh Vidhan Sabha, and Observatory Hill is the home to the Indian Institute of Advanced Studies and the Victorian building that was once the Viceroy residence. Elysian Hills is the outlying northern part of the main ridge. So Shimla, which is also known as the Queens of Hills for its scenic beauty including snow-capped mountains, lush forest and the waterfalls. So I am exploring right now Mall Road. We can see how is that I came from the lift at the top of the Mall Road, and before above the Mall Road there is a ridge. I will also go to visit the ridge. First I am exploring the Mall Road, which is so popular for shopping places. So even I'm going to again say lots of things about the Shimla. So Shimla has the Kalka Shimla railway line built by the British, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in India, and Shimla hosts the MTB Himalaya, a mountain biking race that's considered the biggest event of its kind in South Asia. And Shimla has the largest natural ice skating rink in the South Asia as well, which is quite popular in our country. So Johnny Wax Museum is a family friendly museum with replicas of famous people and the movie characters. So Tudor Library is a family library in Shimla as well, which is also quite popular, which is known for its wooden craft as well. So the Leftman Road is credited with establishing the first British residence in Shimla in 1819 AD. Rose was the assistant political agent in the hill estates at that time. He built a wooden cottage on the Jaku hillside where there once was a temple. So in 1820 AD, Charles Pratt Kenry, a British Scottish civil servant and boss successor, built the Pakka house in the area. He named the house Kenry Cottage after himself. So Shimla became the summer capital of the British Raj government in the second half of the 19th century. In 1864, Sir John Lawrence officially declared Shimla as the summer capital of the British Empire in 1864. So after independence, the city became the capital of Punjab from 1947 to 1953 and was later made the capital of Himachal Pradesh in 1966. So Simla was the capital in exile of British Burma from 1942 to 1945 as well. So let's see how the atmosphere, and also I am feeling so cold here because we can see the view, the beauty of this place, lots of stores, shopping malls, and lots of very good restaurants are available, along with so many woodens and the lots of things which is available here. So I'm going to explain about the Mall Road because right now I am at the Mall Road. So Mall Road in India are armors for being popular for shopping destinations and the hangout spots. So Mall Road in Simla, which is famous for a major shopping center and hangout in Simla, is known for its shops, restaurants, the his historical buildings and views of the hills and valleys from here, which is quite popular. So I am feeling so awesome here, and from last 5 days I am here in Simla, which right now I am exploring, and lots of temples and historical places still I am visiting, and I have to visit the remaining places in Simla on the regular basis. I am staying. So let's see the view of the shopping mall and some stores here on the Mall Road because it's quite popular in all over Simla. So it's very good for me, and I am feeling so awesome. I took the train from Kalka, then I reached here. Before Kalka I was in Chandigarh, but I did not visit any places in Chandigarh. So, and before that I was in Amritsar Golden Temple. So this is all things which I am doing nowadays here. So Mall Road, which is also home to the Himachal Pradesh Emporium, which sells local handcraft like wooden clothes, poetry and jewelry, which is quite popular in Himachal Pradesh. Let's see. These are the some duty with love. This is the police station's place, and let's see some woodens, and that is also some craft also made by the hand, that is really very unique and very amazing. I am feeling so awesome here, and the structure of Simla is really so unique. This is also a cultural hall which is located here, so we can see the view of cultural hall. Even bus stop is so. Let's see the beauty of this palace. It's really looking so unique and amazing as well, and lots of persons, like we can see, they are enjoying fully there in front of this cultural palace. So it is one of the most wonder palace in Simla, and we can see the architecture infrastructure of Simla, including the homes designs, they are in sloping style as well. So it's really one of the unique place. And before that I was in Kalka as well, because I came from the Kalka. Before Kalka I was in Chandigarh, and before Chandigarh I was in also Amritsar, Jallianwala Bagh and Wagah border. And even still I have to explore like Simla, Kullu, Manali and the Dharamsala, Kangra as well, which I am planning to go there. And there is a ISB bus stop where we can get every buses for the Chandigarh, Kullu, Manali, Bilaspur, Mandi as well as the Kangra as well. From there we can get the buses from the ISBT New Simla bus stand, so which is not so far away from that. And from this place there is a one old Simla bus stand which is located just only below the Mall Road, and from the lower market there is a way which is only I think 5 to 10 minutes it will take time to go old bus stop of Simla. But nowadays every buses are going mostly from this new ISBT Simla, so which is only 3 to 4 kilometer I think away from the here. And right now let's see, even I am feeling so cold in front of this water fall. So really it's a very cold water which is just falling here. So this is the way which is visible from here now. This is the way to go the ridge, which is not so far away from here, only like 2 to 300 meter away from the here the ridge which is available there. So I am also going in my next content. I will show everything regarding the Simla above the ridge, because ridge is also a very good place to travel, because in mostly in some winter time also tourists are coming to enjoy on the ridge during the heavy snowfall. And hotel charges, room charges are so high during the winter season because of the full of the tourist, and it's very crowded in during the winter season when snow is falling in heavy. So we can see always it is a very good moment. You can enjoy each and every places in Simla, because Simla is a very wonder city. So even if I will get a chance to come and visit Simla next time also, definitely I will come to visit. And it's also my one day, definitely I will come during the snowfall time also, because in this time I did not see the snowfall, but still it is a cold here, because the temperature of Simla is still right now is in 5 degree and to 6 degrees Celsius, so which make as a very cold as well, and extremely cold. So it's very good place, and we can see the neat and clean of the Simla city. So I hope all who likes my video, because I am traveling from last 6 months. I am traveling across the India, and right now I am exploring the city of Simla in Himachal Pradesh. I came from the Kalka, Simla, and I have also seen the Barog tunnel, Barog railway station, because we know very well that Barog railway tunnel was constructed by the Colonel Balog, who was a British engineer and architecture, who committed suicide there after when he got unsuccessful to construct the tunnel at that time. So that tunnel is also known as the Ghost Railway Station and Tunnel of India, Barok Tunnel, which is also the longest tunnel in Simla Kalka Railway on the hills, because it is a part of the UNESCO World Heritage as a Simla Kalka Railway, due to the, like in India there are due to the mountain railway of India on the Shivalik, and even Simla is located on the Shivalik mountain range, and which is a part of the lower Himalaya. So it's very good, and this is all information about the Simla. And like we know that in India there are 3 mountain railway of India which is considered to be the World Heritage Site. One is the Kalka Simla Railway, second one is the Nilgiri Red Hills Mountain Railway, which is located in Tamil Nadu on the Nilgiri Hills, and the last one is the Darjeeling Mountain Railway of India, so which is all cars. So right now I am in Lower Market. On the way to Lower Market, we can see the stores, shopping stores, and lots of they are selling the very good like object dresses and lots of shoes stores, mobile stores, dresses stores. They are means at very low price. So it is one of the best place to do shopping here from the Lower Market of Simla. I am right now going and to my room from this way Lower Market, which is only 5 meter, and I think which will take to only 10 minutes from the here. So I took my room in the temple, Sri Ram temple, which is one of the best place and very safe place to stay here in dormitory. I took the sharing dormitory place like room, so which is not so far away from the here. So let's see, we can feel the weather. And before like 10 minutes back it was continuously raining, because in Simla at the time, in this time always it is continuously raining in each and every day, like in during the mostly in evening time it's start to rain, heavy rainfall. So but it's very it is good time to visit here in Simla in this time, because I love to visit this place in the rainy season as well, because it's so popular during the winter in for heavy snowfall at a time. So right now let's see, I'm just in front of the Gaiety Cultural Palace, which is located in Simla as well. So we also discussed about already this place, about the this place Cultural Palace. So even I'm going to say about like even the Mall Road, which is located in Simla, which is visited by the Gandhiji for several times between the 1921 to 1946, and this is trail based on the palace where he stayed, spoke and had meeting or are connected with him. So Ridge, what is the Ridge? I am going to explain about the Ridge, that in mid-May 1931, Gandhiji is addressed Hug Rally Horse. This was the first time a nationalist had been allowed to address a gathering on the rave of the Ridge, which is located here. So right now let's see the view of the Simla in this time. Really is so looking so amazing in this time. I am just in front of the corporation. And right now I just came on the lower market in Simla, and lower market which is located, this is the way to go to the Sri Ram temple where I am staying here in the room, because in Simla as well and in all over in the state like in Simla, like Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab as well, we can also get the room at a very affordable price to stay in temple and Gurudwara. So it is one of the best place to stay here in Simla. Simla in like in Gurudwara and temple, they are providing the very good accommodation here. So it is the safe. And right now I'm going to my room from this way from lower market, because lower market is also so full. So once again thank you so much.